cane vinegar. You'll want something that's a little bit sweet in terms of vinegar.
And just go across the bone, making sure to hold this flap up here so we don't cut through any of the meat.
The more you baste, the more flavour you're adding to the pork skewers.
So what we're going to do is our nice green cure mix.
Hi, I'm Budgie Montoya.
Hello, my name is Eyal Yegerman. I'm Gene Gonzalez.
Hello, my name is Daniel Hannigan.
But I encourage you, please go ahead and twist it up, make it your own, incorporate different stuff, go wild.
This dish really is about having fun and having sort of that summer feeling of summer vibes to it.
So we're going to be putting some fresh herbs through our cure mix. You can always add spices, I suppose coriander seeds, cumin seeds.
So the way we did this course is we wanted to do it like a communal thing. So please engage with us, send us messages, talk to each other, find out what works for you and share with your friends. We're all doing it together.